Morning. We're gonna try out this Carpro Darkside, the Carpro Darkside. Here are the instructions. All right, so we have a clean car. Yeah, clean wheels. And we're gonna apply the Carpro. I have an applicator here. Blue applicator. And we're gonna apply it. And we're gonna see how long it lasts versus my go-to Exoforma. This stuff usually lasts for probably about a week. I would say your average tire shine will probably last maybe 2 to 3 days to keep it shine and then go dull. But this stuff maintains the shine for at least, I want to say at least a week, maybe 10 days at tops. Granted, no weather or anything. When it does rain, I don't have any issues. It doesn't wash off. So after watching Project Farm, said Darkside, Carpro was a pretty good competitor. So we're gonna try them. I'll follow up with the results. Okay, I don't know how this stuff is gonna come out, so let's see. The Exoforma is kind of thick. I mean, kind of watery. Oh, and this stuff is, it's kind of thick, like tire shine, I guess. It feels watery though. All right, let's see what we got. It doesn't seem to be picking up the dye in the blue like the Exoforma does, which is pretty cool. This stuff smells good too. Okay, as far as applying this Carpro, it feels like it's like a regular tire shine, just a little thinner. And I actually like the way it doesn't bleed. So we're gonna hit the back tire and see how that goes. All right, I have it on both wheels. And I like it. It smells good too. It smells like, I don't know, something from Bath and Body Works. But yeah, okay. I feel like I like that. I feel like I like the way that hits. It's crazy you can see the two different greens. But anyway. Driver's side. I don't know what day it is, so I have to go check to go see. I think it was an uneven road somewhere I ran over. Touch it. Don't rub off. Oh, that's dirty. But it's really smooth though. It's not really that bad. But I think this side did have a little bit of fling. And I did let it sit for 2 hours. And I did let the other side sit for more than 30 minutes. This side still has shine from what I can see. But the other side is just still a dark black, but it's just not shining. So I don't know how many days later this is, but I'll check. All right, so it rained. The tire shine, how it measures up. See what we're looking at today. Still actually like a matte sheen, I guess you could say. Maybe not the word shine, but definitely a matte sheen. This side, I don't know if it's coming up. You can still see a gloss here. This is from this little thing. I think I rolled over some uneven road. here. But the Carpro is good to keep this. You can keep this color, like a sheen satin black, which sticks around for a while. I think this is the more appropriate use of that. And then on the other side, I think the Exoforma gives me a longer gloss. But overall, I think you can't go wrong with either one.